Okay guys, I got this package from Amazon today and it is a 2-piece hanging shelf set. I will show a picture of it here, but I want to open it today with you guys and put it up in my kitchen. I have an area, I'll show you guys in just a second, in my kitchen that is just kind of like a collect all. We put junk mail in there and it just doesn't fit with the aesthetic anymore. So I was looking for like affordable options to do like a shelving unit there, and I found these hanging shelves and I think they'll be really cute. So let's open them up together. This is the brand. It's a really pretty packaging. It says, "Happy starts at home." Comes with some loops and hooks to put in my wall, which is great because I wasn't sure if I was going to need those. And I decided to bubble wrap. It's enough playing with bubble wrap. And it looks like they're already put together too, so I don't really have to do much to them. Look how cute they are. Alright, let's go take down the stuff that's on the wall now and get these hung up. Okay, so this is the area that I'm talking about. It's been kind of a catch-all. Right here we have a stand that we have our air fryer on. For now it's going to stay there, but I'm not sure forever or not. But we have a clock that I got when I lived in my old house. And then I also had this, I was a more farmhouse style, so this has been kind of a catch-all for like mail that we need to like file away and just like random stuff. Like I've got the vacuum cleaner tops in there and random lint roller, and I've got my vacuum here too. I might move the vacuum today, I'm not sure, but all of this stuff is going to be moved, so let's move that. Some really pretty flowers that I dried last year from my garden. Some hydrangeas, some zinnias. I forget what this is called, but it's really pretty. Some geraniums. Pretty. Really pretty orange painting print that I got from a thrift store a while ago. So I think this is the perfect place to put it, especially in the kitchen. So. I just have some plant propagations that I want to put on the ledge here. I'm hoping that they fit. so happy. It just looks more like clean, and it's like, I don't know, it feels like it's supposed to be here, whereas the other, like the clock and stuff, just did not work well. So they're very sturdy. It didn't really lean too much if it wasn't balanced, but I did try to make everything balanced so that in the future it won't like tip to one side, but it really had no trouble with that. And they're very sturdy. It's like, it's real wood. And the strings are very sturdy. I've got anchors in the ceiling, so they are not going anywhere. Overall, I'm so excited, and I'm glad that I was able to find these on Amazon for super cheap, and they work. And it gives me that feeling of having shelves over here without spending a bunch of money and putting a bunch of holes in the wall and stuff. So I'm in love. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeover. It was super fun just decorating and getting this feeling a little bit more homey and a little bit more my style. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again next time.